Hi to all. In this video, I'm going to show you the unboxing and setup of the Dell P2418 HT touch monitor. It arrived yesterday. This is to complement my Dell desktop computer. So this is a touchscreen monitor. So let's proceed to open it. Here is the package, and on the front of it you have instructions as to how to open the box. I guess that the monitor should be behind this. So this is the heavy. I'm guessing that this is the base plate. Yeah, this is the base plate. Then at the front we have a cable. This is a USB cable. Another cable. Cable sleeve. Some sort of a flap. But this is the next compartment. This is the stand for the monitor. And when you fold this to the front, here at the back is the monitor itself. So this is the monitor. It's a 24 inches touch monitor. There is an information manual inside. This is the instruction manual on how to assemble all the parts together. One should read this carefully. There is one more cable inside. This is the main power cable. I will assemble all the components together, connect it to the computer, and get back to you later. Here I have laid out the contents of the box from left to right. This is the base plate of the monitor. I have connected the stand to it, and this is the part which will attach to the monitor over here. It's a very simple attachment which can be just clicked into place. The next we have the monitor here facing down, upside down, and this is the bottom portion of the monitor. This is obviously the power out. These are the other inlets. This is an HDMI port, something marked P. This is the VGA port. And there's another two ports here. This is the USB cable. So, and the cables are all here. I think this is a HDMI cable. This is a USB cable. This is a VGA cable. This is the power cable. 4 cables. This is a flap cover which will go at the bottom, and after the cables emerge, it will just cover this portion here. This is a netted fabric with Velcro on both sides. I think it will act as a cable sleeve. This is an instruction manual. Everything is in pictures. We'll have to read this carefully before assembling the Dell monitor. I have now plugged in all the provided cables. This is the power cable going into the power inlet. The HDMI slot is still free. This is the cable marked P. This is the VGA cable and this is the USB cable. All these cables are routed through the slot here, punches up all the components. We have to slide this flap to go into here. The back, and this is the cloth which we saw. It has got a velcro. It goes around all these cables and bunches them together. Here I have assembled the main three components of the monitor. This is the monitor. This is the stand connecting the monitor, and this is the base plate. The salient features of this monitor are that it can be turned, rotated clockwise or anti-clockwise, tilted, and even made to point upwards like this, facing up, and I can write on the touch screen. So I have connected my monitor to the computer, and here is my desktop. I can tilt this monitor in whatever direction I want, like that. And if I find that there is a glare from the window, I can rotate it this way or the other way. And if I want to work on it in a horizontal manner, I can pull it forward and write on it like that. But I'm going to use it in the normal manner, and I'm going to show you how I can select any of the programs without touching my mouse or the keyboard. So if I want to edit something, I've got Adobe Creative Cloud over here. I just touch on it and that program will open up now. So here is Adobe Creative Cloud, which is opened up. I can choose to open the Adobe Premiere Pro here, and it's opening up now. So this is the biggest boom with this monitor. So I can choose a recent project which I was working with yesterday. And the project comes up. I can move the cursor on the project to wherever I want without having to touch the mouse. So if I want to go advance it, that's the biggest advantage. Then I can reduce the size of this project and position it wherever I want. I can drag it and keep it here. And then I can bring this project here. I can close this project. I can open another program. The buttons for controlling the monitor are located here. Let me close this program. So I've closed the program, and now I'm going to show you the buttons here. There are 5 buttons in all, starting from the left here. So I'm going to demonstrate the various buttons at the bottom of the monitor. They are numbered from here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So these are the buttons. The first button will give you the preset of various picture modes. So these are the presets available: standard, comfort, multimedia, movie, game, warm, cool and custom color. So you navigate between these options by pressing the next button. As you can see, when I press the second button, I can go to various presets, and you can see the monitor also change. Now this is the standard view which I'm used to working. That is the so we have explained two buttons. First one is to change the preset of the monitor, and the second one is to navigate in the menu. The third one is to choose the, if you want to return back to the menu, you go press the fourth one. The third one is to select the input mode. So we have four input modes here: auto, VGA, DP and HDMI. Automatically this monitor will detect which input is there. In my case it is a DP, and so it has been selected automatically. We exit that mode. The fourth mode is to get back to the original screen, like that. It goes back to the screen. And the last mode here, the one where you can see this light glowing, that is the monitor on and off button. So if I press on this button, the monitor will switch off, as you can see. And if I press on it again, the monitor switches on. Some of the crucial advantages of this monitor, it is ergonomic. You can position the monitor wherever you want, tilt it, rotate it wherever you want. It has got a matte screen and therefore there won't be any glare. It reduces your contact with the keyboard, mouse, everything is done on the touch screen. You just move your fingers, you just stretch forward like that and choose between the various programs, open up, reduce a window, close a window, navigate in the video program which you are already editing. For example, I showed you about the Adobe program where I could navigate to a project. I can apply cuts. I don't have to click the mouse to apply a cut. I can do that with the fingers itself. I can take the cursor wherever I want. Just press the keyboard D or W or Q to cut before or after the cursor. So these are the advantages. It's a great boon for video content creators. So if you appreciate this video, then I think you will also appreciate this video where I showed you the setup of the Dell Precision Tower. To know what are the ports available to connect this monitor, you need to have a look at that video. You can find a link to that video over here. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel Madras Joint Replacement Center and press that notification icon to receive alerts when I upload videos like this in future. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.